they're asymptomatic or very mild. They haven't come to the attention of health authorities. So those cases will continue to infect other people, but if everybody's wearing a mask, you'll dramatically reduce that risk.
The Minister is warning state governments it will be up to them to help tourism operators hurt by border closures. Simon Birmingham says border restrictions need to be proportionate and shouldn't be in place for any longer than they need to be. University students who fail half of their subjects in their first year could lose access to government subsidies and loans. Under the federal government overhaul, there will be tougher requirements for schools to verify people's academic suitability for courses. Some domestic violence victims will have easier access to medical treatment under changes from the state government. Anyone not covered by Medicare, like someone on a temporary protection visa, will have hospital fees waived even if they don't report the crime to police. Minister for the Prevention of Domestic Violence, Mark Speakman, says they'll still need some proof.
They'll still need evidence of that they are a victim of crime. That may be a referral from a GP. It may be a letter from a frontline service worker.